Welcome back to another week of dinners. So this week I'm trying to use up the stuff I have in my deep freezer into my regular freezer, my refrigerator, and some things that I have open in the pantry. I do want to mention thank you guys so much to all of my subscribers. I hit 1,000 and honestly I felt like I was never gonna get there. I am so happy, I'm so appreciative. And you know, I just couldn't believe that I was even gonna make 1,000. I'm gonna do a giveaway, you know, to thank you guys for my 1,000 subscribers. So today for dinner, I'm going to be making chicken with broccoli noodle Alfredo. This one I got from the 99 Only, so I've been wanting to try this. It is the bacon flavored Alfredo sauce. Hopefully it's pretty good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need more than one. So I have two here. So I'm gonna go ahead. I already have the water here that's gonna boil to put some peony, oops, they're coming out. Some peony noodles. And I have this warming up, so I'm gonna put the chicken in there. I'm just going to put some salt and pepper on the chicken while it's right here sauteing. And then I'm gonna add the broccoli florets after like this is finished, just to warm it up. So I already sauteed the chicken. I put about 1.5, so I put a whole bag and then a half a bag because I thought 2 bags would be enough, but it looks like it's kind of a lot, just 1.5. So I'm gonna saute this for a little bit. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper again so that the broccoli gets, you know, some salt and pepper. I had some rolls left over, so I just cut them in half and put some butter and garlic on top of them so they can have some like butter garlic toasted rolls with their dinner. I'm gonna add the bacon Alfredo sauce now. Hopefully it's good. I just put the noodles in there with the last can. So I did put 2. I think 2 was perfect, especially because I made a lot. I got the bread here. I cut up some oranges so they could take what they want. And here's their food. I tasted it and that bacon Alfredo sauce is actually really good. And I got that at the 99-cent store, just to let you guys know. And mine is like this. I'm trying not to have too much carbs. And this weekend I totally had 2 cheat days. I only wanted 1, I had 2. So I just had the chicken, the broccoli, some oranges, and I'm gonna put some crushed red peppers on top of there. And that is our dinner for Monday night. Today is Tuesday and I'm not gonna do Taco Tuesday today. I'm gonna do fajitas. I need to use up all the stuff I have, you know, in my fridge and in my freezer. So I'm gonna show you guys all that. But before I show you guys that, I noticed that now when I'm cooking dinner since yesterday, it's all like, it's light outside. You guys can see here a little bit. Can't see that there's a glare, but usually when I'm cooking, it is super dark outside. So that is like a good feeling and a good vibe. I'm just happy that that's a sign spring and summer is coming, and I have been waiting so long for that. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm making today for dinner. These are the steaks I had in the freezer. So I just sliced them into strips. And then I cut some onion, red peppers, and some bell peppers. That's the last of my red peppers, so I got that down. And right here, I just made some new fajita mix. I went on Pinterest. Here's the fajita mix that I started using. I did not put sugar in it because I'll show you guys what I do put in it. And I didn't put cayenne pepper because I noticed it comes out a little too spicy with that one. And instead of chicken bouillon, I used beef bouillon because I'm using beef. So I'll tell you guys how that comes out. So let's go ahead and get cooking. As a side today, I have 2 cups of water, 1 cup of regular rice, 2 tablespoons of butter, and I have 4 cloves of garlic. And I'm gonna be making butter garlic rice today. So I'm gonna put that all in there and then I'm gonna boil it, bring it down to a simmer until it's done. For the sweetness for the fajitas, I like to put either pineapple juice or orange juice. I prefer the pineapple juice, so that's what I'm gonna put in it today. So I'm gonna put about a cup, and if I need more, then I'll put more, and I'll put some more water. And then I go ahead and put the fajita seasoning right after I do that. And I almost forgot, I also add lime to it. Here's dinner. So I have the chicken fajitas. I tasted it and I do like that. And then here's the rice, and I just put some avocado. So we're having rice, beef fajitas, and avocado today. So that is our dinner for Tuesday night. Today I just made some chicken soup with some veggies I had in the refrigerator. And I didn't show how I made it because I've made this many times on my channel. So this is our dinner for Wednesday night. Today is Thursday and I'm not gonna make spaghetti today. I'm actually pretty lazy, and you know, it's like that time of the month today, and you know how that gets. I get super like tired when that happens. So I went to Aldi and I picked up this 5 cheese. Lily wanted to show you guys that. She got that at the Dollar Tree. She likes those little squishy things.
It's sticky too, look.
Okay, so I got this take and bake 5 cheese pizza. It's actually pretty big. So we're just gonna have cheese pizza today. And then I also picked up this Caesar salad kit. I like this kit from Aldi. So pretty simple meal today, especially because you know I'm not feeling it today. The Caesar salad kit, so it comes with the romaine lettuce. It says it's pre-washed, but I still like to wash it, and then I put it on paper napkins to dry it because I want the sauce to like stick to it a lot better, because I notice when it's wet it comes out not as flavorful. So it also comes with this Caesar salad packet, some Parmesan grated cheese, and then some croutons. This is a little bit, so I'm probably gonna add some more of mine. All right, so dinner is done. So I have the Caesar salad, and I'm just gonna let Brian and Lily serve themselves. My other 2 daughters are actually out with their friends. So it's just us 3 tonight for dinner. And then here's the cheese pizza. This is not in the frozen section. This is actually in the refrigeration section. And I've tried this pizza. It's actually really good from Aldi. So that's it. That's our dinner for Thursday night. We're at the Greek, what is it called?
Mad Greek.
Oh, the Mad Greek Cafe. And so this is the first part of it. It's a Greek salad right here in Prim, Nevada. So this is the first part. I have no idea what this is. And then they have like that Greek salad dressing. And here's my dinner. I got a chicken gyro. Well, chicken with some bread, fries, and then they have this dill sauce. That's our dinner for Saturday.